Welcome to our Tenderich apartment. Let's get this tour started. Here's the kitchen. Fridge. Microwave does come with the apartment, at least this one does. Toaster oven, air fryer, definitely would recommend. And the Keurig, also would recommend. Utensils, Doug spoon for coffee. Teapot. And honestly, probably my favorite thing, one of my favorite things about this apartment is the Los Angeles towels. Nordstrom rack. There's also lots of storage in here. This is mine. Definitely would recommend getting a blender. I use that every morning. Under the sink too. There's a lot of storage in here. And we've got our LED lights because we're in college and it would be weird if we didn't. Table set up. And here's the living room. Just a reminder, in case we forget. Here's our tea cart, where we keep seasonal things to share on top, and then our tea in the other shelves. Lots of board games down here. This came with the apartment. I mean, not the TV, obviously. This shrine for, I don't even know. We did our little decorating job, but this and the couch and the chair and that thing and the lamps, those all came with the apartment. Wow, so decorative. No, I have not used that yet, but I will. Here's the bow photo shoot wall. The photo shoot, if you will. Here's the bathroom. This is my side. I've got a little theme. As you can see, if you haven't noticed yet, there used to be medicine cabinets here, and then over winter break, they took them out and just replaced them with a big mirror. There's lots of storage, and there's a separate room for the toilet and the shower, which is nice. And the shower is much bigger than the McKay ones, which is pretty nice. There isn't really a shower head, but it works, and the shower pressure is not bad. And lots of storage in here too. And now let's go into my room. Minecraft paintings. Welcome to my humble abode. Pretty similar to last year, of course, twin XL, because can you expect anything less in college? A lot of the same decor, obviously. I promise those lights are on, they just need new batteries. I do have a new record player, which is awesome. And records, because that would kind of suck to have a record player without records. I have this Coke mini fridge that I love and would definitely recommend. I have gender fluid from Omega Mart. So it comes with pretty much everything that McKay did last year. So we have the drawers under the bed. The desk setup is the same. I thought I might have the hutch thing on the desk because that's what people in the Hannon apartments get, but we just got the bookshelf. So I used it to make my own hutch, which honestly, I think works better. And this is my jazz corner with the vinyl record coasters. And the LMU water or LA water does not jive well with my body. So I've been getting these water jugs from the Ralphs up the street. Definitely would recommend. I've been doing that all year. And they have these things again. There's like that thing under the desk. There's a drawer. And this thing that you can get a lock for. And of course, we have the Coca-Cola bottles and the TV set up here. I mostly just use the TV in the living room though. And here is the closet. So I think it's actually bigger than the closet in McKay. I have a lot of stuff, so it looks a little crazy, but I can fit all of it in here, which is awesome. Yeah, pretty big closet space, which is very nice. That pretty much sums it up. I love Tenderich. I know I keep recommending things. I would definitely recommend living here. Can't forget the Nick Wilde shrine over here. So yeah, if you're a sophomore looking for an apartment, check out Tenderich. I haven't had any complaints about it. I mean, we had an ant problem last semester, but like all of the apartments did, and right after they sprayed it, they went away. And the 24-hour quiet hour zone they advertise, it's not really a thing. Like, it doesn't get loud here, which is nice, but also my roommates and I have been loud a couple times and nothing has happened. So don't worry about that. So yeah, I hope that helped, and let me know if you have any questions. See ya!